It's late at night in Paris, but I cannot sleep because of a terrible pain, and my heart is full of sorrow because of the tragedy that happened yesterday afternoon in Turkey. And I know this area, Kizilay. I've been there with my gallerist Semra Sanchak, and we've been there for the Soroptimist International Club meeting. So I remember that it's usually very crowded and there are a lot of cars. So when I heard the news today, I was really crying, and it was very emotional for me. And today I would like to express my sincere condolences for all the people of Turkey, especially those whose family members were killed or injured in the explosion in Ankara. And I'm really sorry for your loss. And Ankara, you are in my heart and you are in my prayers.